Transferring your Worldcoin app account to a new phone is quick and easy when you follow the right steps. This guide will walk you through the process to ensure a smooth account transfer. First, on your current phone, make sure your World app account is active. Then go to Settings and enable Backup. Scroll down and select System option. On Android, turn on Google Drive Backup, and on iPhone, enable iCloud Backup. Since I'm using Android, I'll choose Google Drive Backup. Make sure Backup is turned on, and you can also perform a manual backup to save your Worldcoin account data. Next, move to your new phone. Ensure the World app is downloaded and installed from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app, and on the first screen, choose Login to Existing Account, not Create Account. You'll see two options. Select Login, not Sign In. Use the same Google account for Android or Apple ID iCloud account for iPhone that you use for the backup on your old device. Once signed in, the World app will automatically detect your backup and restore your account on your new phone. And that's it. Your Worldcoin account has now been successfully transferred to your new device. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.